So let's go back and look at the educator section. Say I want to teach something on adjectives. Now I'm teaching 3rd grade. I can click on grade 3. Here are my content areas. So if it's literacy, math, music, science, social studies, and we're always adding new content. Your input is important when we're doing this. What's up this month? Teacher tools, all kind of great stuff. But let's say literacy, adjectives. And now we want to be able to find adjectives that are games. We want to be able to find lesson ideas, print material, practice material. And once you click inside your adjective sections, you now have those various types. So here are your games, here are your lesson ideas, print materials, smart notebooks, teacher paid, teacher freebies, and video visuals. So now you can, pre-introduce the assignment, teach the assignment, practice the assignment, revisit, remediate, do all kinds of stuff in here. So this is how teachers find their content, is coming through here into these different content areas. They're all set up exactly the same, so no surprises anywhere you go.